Welcome to 149 Harbor Watch. Look at this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath on the intercoastal with a boat slip large enough for your 40-foot boat. Now that we've seen these beautiful views, let's go inside and check it out. Off the main living room and kitchen is a huge bedroom with intercoastal views. Here's a sink, your tub shower, your toilet, your sink, and another huge room. Now that we're upstairs in the penthouse, look at this huge bedroom with this view of the intercoastal. This gorgeous primary suite. Look at the jetted tub with your view of the intercoastal, gorgeous sink basins and shower. So now it's time for you to call me for your own private tour of this beautiful property.